Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to log in into the Uber account of yours. So to do that, first of all, open the Uber application. Once you open the Uber app, you will be directed to the home page. Here on this home page, you need to tap on Get Started. Tap that. It will direct you to this page over here. So here you need to first choose your country code. Click on the country code text box, and from there you need to choose your country region, and then beside you will need to provide the number to log in. You can also log in into the Uber account if you have linked your account with Google, Apple or Facebook. Once you do that, you will be easily logged in. But here we're gonna go with the phone process. So type in the phone number on top, and once you have typed in, you tap on continue. With this, you will be directed to the another page where you will be receiving a code to the number. Once you receive that code, you need to type in that code on the text box, the 4-digit code. The code will be auto detected and you will be logged in into your account. So this is how you can log in into the Uber account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.